Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Denali Therapeutics won US FDA accelerated approval for AVLAYAH, or tividenofusp alfa EKNM, to treat neurologic manifestations of Hunter syndrome in eligible pediatric patients. The decision covers pre-symptomatic or symptomatic children weighing at least 5 kilograms before advanced neurologic impairment, and was supported by cerebrospinal fluid heparan sulfate reduction seen in Phase 1-2. AstraZeneca Alexion reported an overall positive Phase 3 program for efzimfotase alfa in hypophosphatasia. Pediatric studies supported efficacy, safety, and maintenance of benefit, while the Hickory trial in adolescents and adults missed its primary endpoint overall but showed benefit in pre-specified pediatric onset subgroups and improvement in fatigue. Tanabe Pharma said its oral candidate dersimelagon met the Phase 3 primary endpoint and key secondary endpoints in erythropoietic protoporphyria and X-linked protoporphyria. In the INSPIRE trial, the therapy significantly improved time to first prodromal symptom and reduced pain events versus placebo in adults and adolescents. Chiesi Global Rare Diseases received a positive CHMP opinion for LOJUXTA, or lamidipine, in children aged 5 years and older with homozygous familial hypercholesterolemia. The recommendation was based on the Phase 3 APH19 study, which met its primary endpoint and included a mean 53.5% reduction in LDL cholesterol at week 24. Neurocrine Biosciences agreed to acquire Soleno Therapeutics for $53 per share in cash, valuing the deal at $2.9 billion. The transaction adds VYKAT XR, described as the only FDA-approved treatment for hyperphagia in Prader-Willi syndrome, and expands Neurocrine's endocrinology and rare disease portfolio. Shionogi completed its acquisition of global rights in major markets for RADICAVA, or edaravone, from Tanabe Pharma. The company said the transfer creates a rare disease commercial platform, brings in more than 100 team members, and is expected to add about $700 million in annual global sales. NanoViricides announced that it filed a rare pediatric disease drug designation application with FDA for NV387 in measles, alongside its previously filed orphan drug application. The product remains investigational, and the announcement focused on designation strategy and possible priority review voucher eligibility. Amgen reported positive Phase 3 topline results for subcutaneous TEPEZZA in adults with moderate to severe active thyroid eye disease. The company said the study met the primary and key secondary endpoints, including a 77% proptosis response rate and more than 3 millimeters of mean proptosis reduction at week 24. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for